Hey there, you probably landed on this video because you're thinking about buying or selling real estate in Metro Detroit. Well, I'm here to tell you, you landed in the right place and you definitely found the right person. Hi, I'm Catina Willis, Metro Detroit real estate broker with over 20 years experience in real estate. Now, my journey started at a very young age. I bought my first home and then I quickly got into investing. So I got hooked on that passive income and I just got fascinated about the real estate industry, period. So over the years, I've helped hundreds of home buyers, home sellers, and investors, local and international investors. Now, what does this mean for you? If you are a local home seller or if you are an investor who needs to sell a property, we can help you to sell for top dollar, or if you need a quick cash closing, we will get you a cash offer as well. Our motto is, if we don't get you top dollar, we'll get you a cash offer, guaranteed. Now, for buyers and investors, if you're looking for your first home or your first investment, we know Metro Detroit and the suburbs inside and out. We will help you to find good deals. We will help you to get the property you are seeking. So, long story short, if you're buying, selling, or investing in Metro Detroit, we'd love to assist you. While you're here, check out my current listings on Zillow. As you can see, I'm a 5-star Zillow agent. And here's a little bit more about me. We got the investor friendly services, working with international, offering property management. Here's some of the properties and areas I've sold in the last 2 years. So just check me out, drop me a comment, send me a message. I respond to each and every one. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. I look forward to helping you reach your Metro Detroit real estate goals. Again, I'm Catina Willis. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon.